Hi, Tracy here with BibleJournalMinistries.com, and I found something at the Goodwill that I don't normally find, and so I was excited to share with you today in this really quick Goodwill haul video. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I was super excited to find this at the Goodwill today. There are actually a couple, so I'll show you both that I bought. But this I found, it is an NIV journaling Bible in a gray. It's really beautiful. The problem is once I try to get the sticker off, it will pull up that leather. So I'm not sure. I don't know what I need to do to get this off. So if you do know, I would love your tip to get the sticker off without pulling up that leather or the fake leather. But it is an NIV journal Bible. Looks very similar to the ones I have. And I flipped through it in the store and didn't see anything that that it had anyone. It looked brand new, and I flipped through it multiple times and didn't see any writing on it. So keep an eye out for it. It looks brand new. Even the ribbon is still tucked in to the other page, so I don't think anybody ever used it, which is actually kind of sad, to be honest with you. But I was happy to receive it, and it was $3.29. I had 20% off, making it under $3. So just keep an eye out on your Goodwills and things like that, thrift stores, used bookstores. You might be able to pick one up for cheap, like I did. So it does have that 2-inch margin. It does have 8 inches at the top, and it's just your standard, journaling Bible. So it's NIV, which I love, and it's a beautiful gray color, which I also love. So I was just excited to pick it up and wanted to share it with you to encourage you that when you go into your thrift stores, do stop by the book section to see if there are any maybe journaling Bibles. This is the first time, and I can't tell you, I've been looking for 5 years, and it's the first time I found one. I suspect as more and more journaling Bibles go on the market, we'll start to see more and more at resale or used ones that you could pick up and get for a good deal. So I'm excited to use this one. I will definitely use it. It wouldn't be a gift because I couldn't, number one, it's used, but number two, I couldn't pull up the sticker without tearing it up. So we'll see. I might just keep the sticker on there. And then I got actually interesting enough. So it says 10/18/2021. So they must have just put it on the shelf when I went there that day, because I must have just, I've never seen one there before, and the date was 10/18 when I went, so it wasn't on the shelf very long. Then I got this too. This was put on the shelf at 10/16, so a few days before I went there. It'd been on the shelf for a couple days. It was $4.49 less my 20% off coupon. I did buy some clothes as well there, but I didn't think you wanted to see those, so... But let's open it up. I usually don't open these up in the store because I figure like they're grab bags, so I'm not sure what is included in here. But I do like stamps, and I do have fun with them, so I thought it'd be fun to just kind of see what's included. For $4, it seemed to include quite a bit of stuff. Again, so $4 less 20% of that, so somewhere around $3.50, I don't know, somewhere around there. $3.75, something like that. Okay, so this looks like a little stencil that says happy birthday, and you can stencil on that. I've never used one of these before, but it looks like, I could. I'll give it a shot, see what it is. This one is a partially used stamp set that doesn't have all the parts, so it just has a flower and another flower, but I could use the flower, that's fine. There's some sequences, which, I can use sequins, so that's nice. I've got some more clear stamps here that are black. Well, they're actually clear, but they print out with a solid background. That'll be interesting. I don't know what this is. This one looks like some other stamps. This one says, my heart goes with you. Thank you. Happy birthday. These look kind of old. Hooray. They still look like they'll work, so I'll give them a shot. We have some hot off the press, just a little greeting. It looks like there is a couple missing, so it's not a complete set. And that happens. more sequins, which I totally can use. So I love sequins. I have a little container, and then I just pour all these in there in the container, and I keep them all organized. I love pretty sequences. This one says bloom where you're planted. Definitely can use that in Bible journaling. This one says falling for you. Oh, those are cute. These are really cute tree stamps. So I'll definitely use those. They're super cute. You know, these are like ones that you'd see like in the dollar spot. You know, these aren't very expensive stamps, but you know, I paid $4 and I'm getting quite a few of them. This is so cute. This is a little bingo card. I'll definitely use this one. Oh, with a little heart. I definitely will have fun making cards out of that one and maybe using it in my Bible journaling. This one's really pretty with a bunch of different flowery stamps, and this set looks brand new. It doesn't look like anyone opened that, which I always kind of wonder. I'm like, you know, it's kind of sad if you think about it, because I know these stamps, they're not cheap. So, I mean, if someone's paying $9 for it, or they received it as a gift and they never used it, it just seems kind of sad, you know. Anyways, but good for me. Ooh, this one is a Bo Bunny recipe card stamp. I totally can use this. Okay, so it looks like they maybe bought this at a discount store. It was $2.99. It's already open, so they must have maybe used it. It doesn't look used at all, but maybe they did. And it has, like, you know, title from the kitchen of, this will be great because I am doing a repurposed cookbook. I have an old vintage cookbook that I got for like 25 cents that I want to put my own new recipes in. So I still haven't figured out how I'm going to do that project. So if you have ideas, let me know. And then these are the reasons why I bought it, because I love these Stamping Up sets, but this one looks like it's a set of two. So it looks like I'm missing the other set. So what is probably in the other set is the fill. So it's probably like you get probably the fill to this one, and then this is the outline. So I'm glad that I got the outline, because I definitely can use the outlined ones. These are really pretty. And then I can always just color them in with my markers. Now this one is interesting. I'll have to look a little bit more about this one. This one says, you've moved me, but it looks like ones that need some kind of, oh, it looks like there's a die that comes with it. So it includes a die. Oh, there's quite a bit in here. Whoa, okay. Well, wow. Now we're talking. Sounds like we have quite a bit in here. Let's check it out. These grab bags are so fun, and I just enjoy looking at them and seeing what's inside of them. So this does not appear to be any part of this set, so I'm just going to put that aside. It's like a bonus, and I think these would be really fun to use a little butterfly. I think the butterfly would be real pretty on a card. And then we have, it looks like two different. So we have the butterfly, and then we have the hummingbird. And then it looks like we have a bunch of Sizzix die that go with it. So I don't know if we have all of them, but I suspect what you do is you cut out a piece of cardstock with this. And then when you do that, and you probably create some kind of slider with this, you can see it looks like the hummingbird is moving, kind of. So I think that's the idea, that once you use this die and you make some kind of slidey pocket thing, which, I mean, that's probably what this is for, then I can make a little card that moves. So it looks like I have all the pieces to this, and it doesn't look like they used it at all. So maybe it's a little complicated, but I will look it up on the YouTube channels and see if I can't figure out how to use it. But it does look like I have it looks like I have all of the product that was supposed to come with this. So set of 23, it says. All right, so that's what I got. Most definitely this, I think, was the best buy. I'm so excited about adding another Bible to my stash and having one that I can use for journaling. Obviously, I have multiple Bibles, so I don't worry about doing my journaling in like this Bible. But I would just encourage you to shop resale if you are interested in maybe repurposing something for like a Bible. So I hope that this was helpful, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.